Hi everyone, today I am showing you these diffusers that I got for my Govee LED light strips and how I use them and what I like about them and what I don't like about them. So they come with this metal frame here, and this is like an aluminum color, and then this is the white top that goes onto the aluminum base. And I spent a lot of time trying to slide these in, and that's not the best way to do it, just a pointer. Once you put the lights in, the top kind of snaps in. You just want to snap it in place all the way down the diffuser. And also it came with a set of hardware. It comes with these little clips, and so you just screw them into the wall where you want the diffusers, and then once these are all against the wall, the diffusers just snap right into place. And I use these with my Govee M1 lights and also my Govee LED, the 30 LED lights. And I used command strips because I wanted to make sure I had them in the right spot where I wanted them. But I'll show you what they look like. So these are actually with the 30 LED lights, not the M1 with the 60 LED lights. But as you can see here, I have not done these yet. Starting right here. You can see the diffuser. I like it better with the M1s, but this makes the room not as spotty, right? Like this side I haven't done yet. So I've done this corner right here, but not right here. So you could definitely notice a difference. It's harder to tell on camera, and it even looks better with the M1 LED strips as well. And then here's in my bedroom, I started putting my M1 LED Govee lights up with the diffuser, and I think they are turning out great. I would highly recommend that.